Gas prices are becoming expensive and still keep on rising, but did you know that you may be able to cut your spending if you know a few simple steps on how to save gas? Many people engage in driving and using their car not efficiently. Every time you're out driving, you can save gas by doing a few simple things. Reducing our fuel usage is one way. The other is to spend more in the future. This video takes a look at a few simple strategies you can use to reduce your gasoline usage, then focus on spending more in the future. Here at Shoppiverse PH, we will provide you with some gas-saving tips that you can do in your everyday car driving. From driving more efficiently to using fuel-efficient cars, this blog will help you save gas, especially during this time. 1. Drive the right speed. At the point when your speed goes up and down, you utilize more fuel, and as a result, you spend more cash on fuel than you want to. Tests have shown that shifting your up and down somewhere in the range of 75 and 85 kilometers each hour like clockwork can build your fuel use by 20%. Consider utilizing voyage control for roadway driving, where conditions grant. Be careful, nonetheless, that little varieties in speed can really be great when gravity accomplishes the work. Where traffic designs grant, permit your speed to drop when you travel uphill, then, at that point, recapture your energy as you roll downhill. Going slower actually saves fuel on the grounds that it rapid your motor requirements to work harder to conquer the drag from wind opposition, your tires, and transmission, and that drag increments dramatically the quicker you go. So a major piece of driving productively comes down to recognizing your vehicle's most proficient speed, which is the perfect balance between where both travel time and drag each leastly affect efficiency. 2. Avoid sudden brakes. At the point when you brake brutally, your vehicle's transmission should downshift to the least cogwheels naturally or physically to recapture lost energy. Lower gears require quicker motor upsets, which thus request more fuel. Each demonstration of forceful slowing down or speed increase increments the fuel utilization by however much a half gallon of fuel, as per information from the Accident Research Centre at Monash University in Melbourne, Australia. 3. Inflate your tire properly. Underinflated tires increase your vehicle's drag, which increases fuel consumption. But by how much exactly? A study by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) in the USA found that every 1% decrease in tire pressure correlated to a 0.3% reduction in fuel efficiency. Every car owner can improve their vehicle's gas mileage by up to 0.6% on average and up to 3% in some cases by keeping their tires inflated to the proper pressure. 4. Avoid driving on heavy traffic route. Traffic is a major problem in the highly populated cities in the Philippines, and according to statistics, there is an economic loss of $1,120 for every motorist that is trapped in the traffic congestion annually. When you drive your vehicle in a traffic congested area, there are constant acceleration and sudden application of carb brake that might increase fuel consumption. So if you want to save on gas, use a navigator like Waze or Google Maps to avoid congested roads. 5. Get regular maintenance of your car. Regular car servicing helps maintain your engine's fuel efficiency. Engine parts work closely in tandem. That is why if your vehicle is poorly maintained, sludge and corrosion may build up between the parts, making it difficult for the engine to work smoothly. This is also why engine oils are important. Engine tune-up includes inspecting, diagnosing, and if necessary replacing parts that are going bad like spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor caps, fuel filters, air filters, and oil filters. Tune-ups can also include checking emission levels, fuel lines, wiring, coolant hoses, and serpentine belts. 6. Travel light. There is an old saying that goes, the heavier the vehicle is, the more energy it needs to get moving. This rings true for not just vehicles, but for any object. When the object is heavy, it needs more energy for its inertia and for its rolling resistance. This is true for all vehicles, big or small. 7. Opt for other mode of transportation. There are other ways to save fuel consumption of your car by opting into other modes of transportation, especially by using other modes of transportation like bikes and by commuting, especially if your destination is near. Carpooling at least once a week is also one of the best methods to save fuel. In summary, our dependence on fuel in our daily lives greatly affects our budget and day-to-day living. Having the right knowledge on how to save gas will help you to navigate the harder times like this when the gas price goes up. There are other ways that can help you save gas. Feel free to share them in the comments section so that you can help other motorists in saving fuel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.